In this video, we are going to create our first surface model. We are going to create the surface model of example18 drawing file attached with this lecture. You can see this is the drawing for which we are going to generate the surface model, and this is the surface model that we are going to create. If you see like this, it may be a solid model or a surface model. You cannot differentiate, but I'll hide this bottom face. You can see this is a pure surface model. We are going to make this model. Let us close this file and open a new file. Click on File, New. We'll select Part, click on OK and click on OK. You can see here we have opened a new file and we are in the wireframe and surface design module of catia. If you are not in the wireframe and surface design module of catia, you can always go to Start, Mechanical Design and click on wireframe and surface design module. Let us start by first creating a sketch. Click on the sketcher icon. We'll select this base plane. And let us create a rectangle. Let us constrain this rectangle. We'll create a symmetric constraint between these two edges. And also we'll create the symmetry constraint between these two edges about the axis. Now double click on dimensioning. Let us give a dimension to this 60 and to this line 100. Exit workbench. Let us create our first surface by extruding this profile. Click on Extrude. Select this profile. We'll give an extrusion value of 15. Click on OK. I'll hide this rectangle. You can see we have created our first surface. Now let us close this top portion. I'll go to Insert, Surfaces, Fill. We'll select these four edges of the top area. Click on OK. You can see it is filled. Now we will join these two. We'll take Insert, Operations, Join. Join this surface with this surface. Click on OK. To check if they are joined or not, select any surface and hide. Everything will be hidden. So that explains all the surfaces are a single body. Let us undo. Now let us select this top face and click on Sketch. You can see the view has rotated. We wanted to work on this view, but it is showing this bottom view. You can use this plane normal to switch the opposite view. You can see, so that we can work on the opposite face. Now we are in this face which we want. We'll use plane normal. You can see. We'll use profile and create two lines. Press the escape key to exit from the command. Please see very carefully what I am about to do now, because this will enlarge your understanding on surfaces. I will be using very few tools for creating the surface model. You have to master these few tools and you can make any type of surface model. You need not master the other tools what are there in the surfaces. You just have to know the other tools, but you have to master these few tools that I have taught till now, which I am going to apply in this model now. I'll take dimensioning from this edge to this line. This is 15, and from this edge to this line, this is 25. Let us exit the workbench. You can see I have created a open sketch. Now I'll use Extrude. Select this sketch. You can see what happens. a surface has been generated. Let us keep the value 15. Click on OK. Now we'll use trim. Click on Insert, Operations, Trim. Select this surface and this surface. You can see what happens. Both of the surfaces are getting trimmed. You have to select which side of the surface you want to keep. You can see I want to keep this side, and for the other element I want to keep this side. As soon as I click on OK, you can see this is the surface feature that we want to make. The understanding of this concept is very important. Again, I'll take sketch, this top plane. Again, it has rotated me and put me on the back view. I'll use this plane normal again to rotate the view and to work on this other side. I'll take the same thing. Again, I'll take these two lines. Press the escape key to exit from the command. Double click on dimensioning from here to this edge. We will give a dimension of 15. Again, from this edge to this line, we'll give a dimension of 25. Enter. The sketch is constrained. You can see I've created another two lines. We'll use the same concept. We'll extrude these two lines, a value of 15. Click on OK. Now we'll take Insert, Operations, Trim. Trim this surface and this surface between their intersection points and keep the surfaces which are highlighted. You can see I want to keep this side of this element and this side of this element. You can see this side I want to keep. Now click on OK and you can see. Now let us create these two rectangles. I'll click on the sketch and select this top plane, get into the sketcher. Now I will make a rectangle. Somewhere here, select this edge and this edge. Coincidence. Again, this edge and this edge. Coincidence. Double click, give a dimension to this, 15, and a dimension to this, 25. Exit workbench. Extrude this sketch, reverse the direction to a value of 40 minus 15. No need for calculation. Directly catia will do the calculation. In this case, I will use split.